paint pouring people. Today I want to introduce to you a product that we've been working on for months. It's called Happy Medium Paint Ready to Pour. This is the 64 ounce size right here. Ready to go, ready to pour. We've been working on this formula for a long time. We're really excited about it. Here is the other size, the 32 ounce size. We have 22 colors of paint ready to pour. It's the perfect blend of pouring medium, the best acrylic paint that you can find, and a little bit of silicone and water. Also, if you want to have straight paint, we also have it in an 8 ounce jar. You can use this to mix your own pouring paint or use it straight out of the jar like normal acrylics. I'm going to show you the beautiful creamy consistency. It's great paint, highly pigmented. This is the same paint that we're using in the paint ready to pour. Here's the website, happymedium.fun, because we always have fun. That's our brand new website. If you are a member of my Facebook group, Paint Pouring People, this was introduced to you recently, and we've also been selling this paint privately for quite a while now, testing it out, and today we're launching the website. Really excited about it, and I want to demonstrate to you what you can do with this paint. I'm not going to do a finished painting. I just want to show you some of the techniques and what it all looks like. The only thing you need to do is shake. There's no mixing, there's no measuring, and I'm going to demo on a big canvas right now. This color is called Moody Blue. We're going to go through some of these colors, and it's going to be very cool. Sunflower Yellow. Here's Red Line. This is my favorite blue. It's one of the pearls. It's called Bluebird. I might put this in a couple of places. Just random stripes. I'm going to do a swipe here in a minute, but I want to run through some of these colors that I have just to show you. Pansy Purple. Southwest Turquoise. Green. I think that's an appropriate name because it is a straight green. Put a little bit of it down here. And before I start, I wanted to let you know our website is happymedium.fun because there's no rules in paint pouring. It's just about having fun. So it should be an easy website to remember, but there's links below if you forget. This is another one of my favorites. This is called Flamingo. So you can see I have a pretty wild mixture of colors here, and I'm going to do a swipe, and my swipe is going to be white. There's no silicone in the white. There's silicone in all the colors except for white and black. However, if you would like a custom order of colors with no silicone, just let us know when you place the order. Let us know in the notes that you want all your colors or certain colors with no silicone. We can do that too, but they come with silicone. It's ready to go if you want it that way. So I'm swiping now with the white and over these colors. You can see what the cells popping up just on their own. You don't need a torch. You don't need to do anything special. If you've had trouble getting cells, this should cure your ills. See how fun that is? Now, just for fun, I haven't used any black. So I'm just going to use a little bit of black just to demo on this end. Go back the other way with it. Just a small amount, just so you see what it looks like. That's pretty cool. There's a little bit there. There's no rules. Remember, this is all about having fun, and you can see in just just a couple of minutes, I got a nice big swipe with an array of colors. All the colors are showing up, none of them sunk to the bottom. These are just great colors. I'm really excited about it. I hope you are too. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come straight out of the bottle, and I'm going to make a pour that's going to be a flip cup. Always remember, all you need to do is shake. I'm using the primaries on this technique. Some yellow, some red. This is called red line. This is a beautiful shade of blue. This is called Moody Blue. These are my own personal private colors. And I always like to add white to my dirty pours. And our white and our black do not have silicone. Okay, I'm gonna do a flip cup. Flip cups are always fun. This is a big canvas, but I just want to show you the fun of a flip cup and how it looks. Here we go. You can see the cells pop right up. Flip cups are fun to watch. It's one of the most impressive visual treats you can have. It's a flip cup. I'm going to let that flip cup just stay as it is because, again, we're not doing a finished painting today. I just want to show you how this looks. And here we go with the dirty pour. There's no rules on this. You just give it a nice pour. You can see the cells come up. Very pretty. As you know, when you tilt, you could stretch the cells. And when you like what you see, you can stop. This one's called Moody Blue. Again, straight out of the bottle. See how quickly this goes when you're ready. This is called Green Green because that's what it is. Take a lighter blue, Southwest Turquoise. Remember, your blues always really look good together. Dirty pour. Just going to show you the fun here. See the cells coming up. Again, no silicone in the white. Swiping is probably my favorite thing to do. Just want to show you the fun of a swipe if you haven't seen it before. You can wait and the cells will start popping up. Tilt a little bit. I like what's happening right here. I'm going to leave this. Got some nice cells here with these colors coming up and then some areas of white. You can see the beautiful blooming of the silicone coming up through the paint in these wonderful cells. You can see by looking at this demo canvas why the swipe is my favorite. They don't all necessarily go together, but we're here to have fun, and I'm here to show you how much fun it is to use this paint ready to pour. And I'm going to take black, and that's going to be the swipe color. We're going to see if we can transform this while we're at it. Because remember, there's only 2 rules in paint pouring. Number 1, there are no rules. And number 2, to have fun. So let's see what the swipe does for us with black. I like to wipe between swipes. You can see these lovely cells coming up, and you can also see how these colors kind of look okay together now. These are always decisions you can make. If you like this, you can leave it. I'm going to take my smaller spatula and just move this around some. This is where you're playing. Just because you're swiping doesn't mean it all has to be uniform. What I like to do is to get some different areas of interest. And I can come back this way to reveal more of the underneath color. There it goes. You can see it's starting to show up. So that looks much better, even though it's not a cohesive painting. Again, I'm showing you the different techniques, how great these colors are, the vibrancy of the colors. These are just great acrylic paints in the pouring. So there you go. That is my paint ready to pour. Happy medium. Nothing to mix, nothing to measure. Just pour, have fun. You can spend your time creatively instead of the old mixing ratios. No glue, none of this other stuff. I just use the best ingredients, and this is my own paint that you can't get anywhere else. We're excited about it, and I hope you'll give it a try. I hope you enjoyed this demo. I hope you will check out happymedium.fun. Remember, shipping in the US is free. If you are outside of the US, then please send us a message on what you would like to purchase, and we can get back to you with a shipping quote for international. Check out the links below to happymedium.fun, as well as my other links to my Amazon shopping list. Please join my Facebook group, Paint Pouring People. We also have merchandise at paintpouringpeople.com, and we appreciate your support for my channel. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you're new. Check out happymedium.fun, and we'll see you soon.